My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up alerts, which are fake Chrome update alerts coming from the site Storeprecisesupertheproduct.vip. These pop-ups try to deceive people and to trick them into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Storeprecisesupertheproduct.vip tries to make you download such fake Chrome updates in order to install either adware or some browser hijacking extensions. Therefore, you should be very careful not to download or install anything that they suggest. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, this is what you should do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you see any extensions here, disable and delete them. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.